Welcome to Electrical Stuff. This is video about new changes, new concepts are implementing from the web onwards. Many of you people are requesting me through emails and messages saying that make a videos on these topics. So basically based upon your feedbacks, I divided my video sections in a four concepts. Those are basic concept videos. In a basic concept videos, I'm going to discuss about the from scratch or from the basic principle videos, such as what is the switch, how to choose the switch, how to selection of the switch, and basic connection diagram, and what are the LED concepts, how to make a connection for the fan, for the motor connections, and many more practical examples I'm going to discuss in the basic concept videos. Second topic is that most important thing is that career videos. We all well aware that we need how to choose our career and what to do after our graduation, a way to search a job. Many people are requesting me to make a videos on this topic also. So therefore I decided I would like to make a videos on this topic. In this career video section, I would like to discuss about the what are the MEB companies are there, how to search those companies, and what are the what are the topmost companies, is there any vacancies available, if there is a vacancy how to choose, and there is a LinkedIn platform there, so how to approach the people over there. Every concept I will be explained in this video. Not least, in this career video section I would like to discuss about the jobs available in the latest and current vacancies. So third topic is I'm going to discuss about the latest technology videos. Electrical Stuff is a platform to give you idea about the latest technologies are going to uh, implement in the field. So basically in a construction field nowadays AI technology is implementing. Then there is a can we are entire buildings, entire high rises, can we go with the renewable energy or not? Then how to implementation in the beam. So based upon all those technologies are implementing current industry, as well as latest technologies are going to adapt in the building technologies. So those concept I'm going to discuss about in this section. And not but not least, our main important core topic is the design concept videos. This is a basic formation of our channel. So basically in this video I'm going to discuss about the all relevant electrical systems using in the construction, such as a BMS system, lighting system, short circuit current calculations, harmonics, power factor calculations, and many more things. So in this is a little bit advanced videos will be posted in this section. So thank you so much for your thanks for watching, and I would like to request you that please please feel make comments on about this video, as well as what other topics are going to be discussed, or in this four sections, what kind of videos you like to hear from me. Just post on the comment section. I would like to make those videos. Good day. Bye.